What's up, guys? What it do? Welcome back to Hope TV. And today we're gonna go out to cookie Crumbl. Yeah, we finna grab some of them good cookie crumbles. Rock out with your boy. They got the seasonal picks today: raspberry pie, Oreo, Reese's. Man, they got that a little bit of everything in the pumpkin. Let's go. Rock out with them boys. How y'all doing, guys? Yeah, show y'all what they got. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, bro, getting them ready. Let me check them boys out. Yeah, I know how we rocking. That's them. Thank you, bro.
This look good.
Yes, sir. You did your thing, man. Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get us 2 dozen. Get on up out of here and get us a dozen. It's over with. Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one.
A few moments later.
So yeah, guys, we got these chitlins. They cooking good in the pot. We're gonna be ready to rock and roll here in a little bit, guys. But yeah, y'all drop in the comment section. Let me know if y'all eat these or not. Yeah. Ooh, nice and creamy. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Ooh-wee, Karma, you eat these?
I don't eat chitlins. That's good.
That's good.
She said no, she don't want Ford to get out of here. She need to keep him here. Nah, they ain't gonna take me out, Karma. These look good and nice, man. Big pieces too. Ooh, thank you, Mom. Okay. Man, y'all, it's going down. All right, baby. Let's go, come. Give it. Say it again.
Happy Father's Day and Thanksgiving too. I don't know what you need to do.
Happy Thanksgiving. Great job. What's up, guys? What it do? Happy Thursday and welcome back. What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to another episode of Food Vlogs with your boy DT Hope. And today, guys, we'll be trying these country-style chitlins right here. Yeah, Mom Dudes just got them out the oven. They've been cooking and washing for about 3 days, guys. And this is our final product. But yeah, guys, I've been eating chitlins since I was a little kid, you know, out in Alabama and Dothan. And it was just a tradition of ours, you know. We didn't eat them throughout the year, but when it came down to like Thanksgiving and Christmas, we enjoyed chitlins. So today I have a pleasure to be with my daughter and she's gonna drop these chitlins into the plate here, and she's gonna watch Dad eat these. All right, do your thing, baby. Go ahead. Take your time. Okay, that's good. Okay, she got us a nice amount in there. And I think Mom Dukes, I think she added, you can put the top back on. I think Mom Dukes, she added some hog mogs to them as well. But as you can see, they're nice and hot, guys. And they've been cooked to perfection. I want to say happy Thanksgiving again to you all out there. Like I said, this is just a little bit of them in the juice. But we're going to take us a bite. We're going to let y'all see how they is. And we're gonna get y'all's honest opinion on if you don't like them, would you ever try them? All right then, baby. All right, guys, here we go. We locked in. Let's go.
I don't want to touch that with a 40-foot pole.
So yeah, guys, these chitlins was very fresh. I like the way she seasoned them. And also, you know, at first it took a little getting used to because I don't normally eat this type of food with this type of texture. But all in all, I give it a 9 out of 10. They're pretty good.
Nom 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 nom.
And we eating good, y'all. Let's go. Lock in with them boys.
Are you done with the introduction?
Mm-hmm.
The chitlins are good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I had to go get my drink, but I didn't go get it, but I had to go get something to drink.
Are you good?
I'm good. My throat was actually a little.
Well, guys, I want to say these is a 9 out of 10. She got them cut up real nice. They taste good, guys. But yeah, y'all drop in the comment section. Yeah, these top of the line right here, guys. Yeah, I like the vibe on them. That boy rocking. This is my vibe all day. Them chitlin boy.
What are you eating?
Chitlin.
Oh.
So yeah, guys, this has been a great video. I enjoyed trying these chitlins in front of y'all. I hope it reaches everybody in good spirit. If you like the video, guys, I consider asking you to subscribe. And all my new watchers, hey, hit that like button and hit that post notification bell so you can stay tuned as we keep dropping these videos. But with no further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed one. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. We out here on these dirt roads in Alabama. Let's go.